Retro 80s home makeover, eclectic couples vibrant apartment tour home and decor inspiration. Step into a vibrant journey back to the 1980s with this funky one-bedroom condo on Silat Avenue, where a young couple has created a space bursting with personality and retro charm. When they first moved in, they chose to keep renovations simple, letting their furniture and style do all the talking. The 527-square-foot apartment became a canvas for playful design, guided by the creative minds at home philosophy, led by Rashi Tulshian and Melissa Wan. Right at the entrance, instead of bulky built-in cabinets, eye-catching low, slim open shelves in bright orange set the tone, perfect for showcasing graphic novels, vintage vinyl, a turntable, and a splash of wine. It's a lively mix that invites you in with a nod to their hobbies. The living room strikes a cool balance between neutral and bold. An off-white sofa and armchair from Caslery sit alongside pops of electric blue, hot pink, sunny yellow, and bright orange, from the rug and cushions to the quirky coffee table and statement lamp. Decorative ceiling moldings add a touch of eclectic flair while keeping the vibe fun and unpretentious. Need a functional workspace without sacrificing style? The designers cleverly moved the dining area onto the balcony, freeing up space for a cozy study nook between the kitchen and living room. The dining table, with its lively blue finish, paired with playful orange chairs and a matching sideboard, becomes a cheerful focal point, bright without being overwhelming, thanks to curated plants and subtle design touches. Their bedroom keeps it simple with white walls, bedding, and curtains, allowing accessories in bold shades of orange, yellow, pink, and green to truly stand out. Warm wooden flooring adds an inviting touch, making the room cozy and welcoming. One interesting challenge? The dark gray marble floor, which wasn't part of the original plan but was kept to avoid costly replacements. Instead, the designers drew attention away from it with strategic furniture choices and interior decor, creating a balanced look. All in all, the renovation took about a month of design work plus another 4 weeks on site, and the result is a playful, personality-filled home that the couple moved into in March 2024. With a budget of around $7,000 for painting, electrical, and decorative moldings, plus nearly $20,000 on furniture, mostly off the shelf, their space proves that bold, eclectic style doesn't need to break the bank. This story originally appeared in Home Decor Singapore. If you're craving more ideas to turn your space into a vibrant retreat, check out homedecor.com.sg for endless inspiration and clever design tips.